If you're a coffee enthusiast, you know that brewing the perfect cup of coffee isn't just about the beans, it's about the process. That's where this Ovente French Press coffee maker steps in. This meticulously designed 34-ounce French press promises not just a cup of coffee, but a flavorful experience that brings out richness and depth in every sip. So, what makes the Ovente French Press coffee maker a standout option in a market flooded with coffee makers? Let's dive into the details to explore its key features and why this might be the perfect addition to your coffee routine. Ever wondered why coffee from a French press tastes so much better? It's all about retaining the natural oils that paper filters often absorb. The Ovente French Press uses a 4-part stainless steel plunger system equipped with a fine mesh filter to extract the rich, bold flavors from the coffee beans. Whether you're brewing your favorite morning blend or crafting a cold brew, this French press ensures that every cup is filled with smooth, aromatic coffee that enhances your drinking experience. The mesh filter system does an incredible job of separating the coffee grounds while retaining the oils that deliver a rich, full-bodied flavor. There's no waste, no bitterness, just pure coffee bliss. And the best part? You don't have to be a professional barista to achieve these results. Curious to learn more? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. With coffee brewing comes heat, and you need a reliable carafe that can withstand the temperature fluctuations. That's where Ovente shines. The heat-resistant borosilicate glass carafe is not only durable, but also designed to maintain its integrity over time, ensuring it doesn't crack or shatter easily. This is a crucial feature if you're planning to use your French press daily or take it on the go. The glass carafe is wrapped in a stainless steel protective layer, giving it a sleek, modern appearance while adding an extra layer of protection. Whether it's sitting on your kitchen counter or accompanying you to work, this press brings both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Available in 6 premium styles like the classy cafe, stylish horizontal stripes, and elegant leaf curve, you'll find a design that complements your personal style and home decor. It's not just a coffee maker, it's a statement piece for your kitchen. One of the Ovente French Press's most remarkable features is its versatility. While it excels at making coffee, its functionality extends far beyond just brewing your morning cup of joe. Want to enjoy a delicious loose-leaf tea in the afternoon? No problem. This press can handle that too, and it's also perfect for cold brews, espresso, fruit-infused water, sangrias, and even lemonade. But the versatility doesn't stop there. You can use it in the kitchen to wash quinoa, strain vegetables, or even make homemade chicken stock. The possibilities are endless, making this French press not only an excellent tool for coffee, but a multi-purpose kitchen companion. Cleaning up after making coffee is often one of the most tedious parts of the process, but the Ovente French Press makes it simple. The removable stainless steel plunger and mesh filter are easy to disassemble, allowing for thorough cleaning with minimal effort. Plus, the carafe can be rinsed and wiped down effortlessly, keeping your French press in pristine condition. And because it's designed for regular use, you can count on this press to maintain its durability over time. Whether you're making coffee daily or occasionally, this French press is built to last. Why the Ovente French Press stands out. 1. Retain flavor, not waste. With traditional coffee pots, paper filters can absorb the rich oils and flavors. The Ovente French Press ensures you get every drop of flavor, leaving you with a smooth, aromatic coffee experience every time. 2. Perfect for cold and hot brews. Whether you're a fan of iced coffee or piping hot morning brews, the Ovente French Press accommodates both. The heat-resistant glass ensures it can handle high temperatures, while the stainless steel mesh filter is perfect for cold brews. 3. Stylish and durable. The combination of borosilicate glass and stainless steel gives it a sleek design, ensuring it not only works efficiently but looks great on your countertop. 4. A multi-use tool. From brewing tea to straining vegetables or even infusing essential oils, the versatility of this French press makes it a must-have in any kitchen. With a 1-year warranty and US-based customer service, Ovente guarantees your purchase is protected against defects under normal use. This gives you peace of mind that your investment is secure, whether you're using it at home or taking it on the go. Final thoughts. Is the Ovente French Press right for you? If you value high-quality, rich-tasting coffee and are looking for a versatile, durable, and stylish French press, the Ovente French Press coffee maker is a fantastic choice. With its heat-resistant borosilicate glass, protective stainless steel layer, and 4-part stainless steel filter system, it delivers a flawless coffee experience that both novice and seasoned coffee drinkers can appreciate. Whether you want to enjoy a quiet morning brew, prepare cold-pressed coffee for a hot summer day, or experiment with different beverages and kitchen hacks, this French press offers endless possibilities. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.